In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional email signature in Word for Outlook. We'll design a clean, branded signature in Microsoft Word, then add it to Outlook so it appears exactly the way you want in every message. Start by opening a new, blank Word document. If you prefer a head start, you can download a signature template from Microsoft's support page and customize it. Begin laying out the essentials: your name, job title, company, and phone number. Keep the information concise and prioritize what recipients need most. Use simple alignment. Left-aligned text is easiest to read, and add spacing to separate your details so nothing feels cramped. If you have a company logo or a professional headshot, insert it by going to Insert, then Pictures. Resize the image so it's crisp but not oversized. Small images load faster and look cleaner in email. To make your signature interactive, add hyperlinks to your website or social profiles. Highlight the text or click the image you want linked. Choose Insert, then Link, and paste the destination URL. This is especially useful for your company website, portfolio, or LinkedIn. Next, fine-tune the appearance. Choose web-safe fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Verdana, and limit yourself to 1 or 2 colors that match your brand. Use bold sparingly for your name or key details, and keep font sizes readable, usually 10 to 12 points. When you're happy with the layout, select the entire signature and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Now switch to Outlook and create a new email message. On the Message tab, look for the Include group, then select Signature and choose Signatures. In the Signature dialog box, click New, give your signature a clear name so you can identify it later, and select OK. Click inside the Edit Signature box and paste your design by right-clicking and choosing Paste, or press Ctrl+V. If anything shifts, use the built-in formatting tools in this window to adjust fonts, colors, spacing, or image size. When it looks right, click Save. To make Outlook use this signature automatically, go to the Choose Default Signature section in the same dialog. Pick your signature for new messages, and if you'd like it on Replies and Forwards, select it there too. Click OK to finish. From now on, your emails will include a polished, consistent signature that reflects your brand, with clickable links and a professional layout created right in Word.